Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to pair Sony headphones to a computer. First, make sure your Sony headphones are fully charged to avoid any interruptions during the process. Next, put your headphones into pairing mode. You'll typically see a blue light flashing rapidly. Finally, double-check that your computer's Bluetooth is activated and set to discover new devices. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection. Now, let's get your computer ready. If you're using a Windows PC, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, and select Add Device. For Mac users, open System Settings, click on Bluetooth, and your computer will begin searching. It will scan the area for any discoverable Bluetooth devices. Keep an eye on the list, as your Sony headphones should appear there within a few seconds, ready for the next step. Once your Sony headphones appear in the list of available devices, simply click on their name to initiate the connection. You'll usually hear an audible confirmation from your headphones or see a message on your screen indicating a successful pairing. If a pairing code is requested, the most common one is 4 zeros. After this, your headphones should be fully connected and ready to deliver high-quality audio from your computer. Enjoy your sound. Sometimes, things don't go perfectly on the first try. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your headphones and computer can often resolve them. Also, make sure your Sony headphones aren't already connected to another device, like your phone. Keeping your computer's Bluetooth drivers updated can also prevent many common problems. Finally, try to stay within 10 meters of your computer for the best and most stable Bluetooth connection. Happy listening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.